one of your transactions, you could do that with a central bank digital currency. You can't do that with Venmo. If you want to impose negative interest rates, you could do that with a central bank digital currency. You can't do that with Venmo. And if you want to directly tax customer accounts, you could do that with a central bank digital currency. You can't do that with Venmo.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I am back with another banger for you guys. In this one, I am back with more bullish content. My name is Joven, and in this video we're going to be breaking down Tectonic and how it will protect you against the oncoming central bank digital currencies that are on their way, that can control and program your money at any given time. It's rolling out more and more. I'm seeing more and more, social media information about it, articles about it, and we're gonna get into that. We're also gonna get into how the EU is buying them Bitcoin, guys. They're buying them the big dog, the market mover. When Bitcoin starts going parabolic, expect Tectonic to follow because it has strong fundamentals. It was only a matter of time until the governments and institutions start FOMOing into crypto like we did, right? If this is something that you're interested in, we're going to break it down in this one. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Channel right now is at 1,800 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000. Also, check out my Tonic playlist. Go back, rewatch these videos, guys, and my Tonic shorts as well. Just so you could pass the time, you could check out the bullish content. If you're, getting a bit impatient diamond handing, you could always go back and check out the content. Supporting these videos, helping out content creators, puts Tonic out into the algorithm for more and more people to see it, and then we could get new and more people into the community, which will then in turn help grow the project. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. Tectonic watch list still growing, man. I told you guys the watch list is my benchmark of how far the project is growing and progressing, because the more wallets that join the community, the more holders that come into the Tonic community, the more we have a stable price. We have when we have a large amount of token distribution, that's when the price could have a lot more stability. As you guys can see right now, we are down 2.5% on the 24-hour for Tonic. Nice little pullback. You can't expect to go up only all the time. We're gonna have corrections along the way. $26 million in market cap for Tonic. Very nice stuff. A lot of you guys are still in profit, and if you're just getting into the project now, you're still gonna be in profit in the future. 273k in 24-hour trade volume, down 45%. So yeah, expect corrections to happen, guys. Today is Wednesday. We're in the middle of the stock market we're in the middle of the week for the stock market. We had a nice open on the stock market on Monday, and now people are probably taking profits to close out the week until we go into the weekend when the stock market closes. But as you guys can see from the Tonic chart, guys, we are literally hand in hand with Bitcoin. It's basically the same chart. I'm showing you guys this every time. I'm showing you guys this every time I make a video, because you can see the lead market mover is more than likely gonna be the determining factor on how far Tonic goes into the future. When Bitcoin is going parabolic, expect Tonic, Crow, VVS Finance to follow. I also make a VVS Finance video in the future as well. Now let's jump right into it. Breaking news from Wall Street Bets trader Rocco. EU approves BIS policy to let banks hold 2% of capital in Bitcoin. 2% of capital in Bitcoin. You guys know how bullish that is? That is super bullish, guys. When the banks start to buy and hold Bitcoin, we could see 100k, 200k Bitcoin in a very short period of time. And with Bitcoin going to those type of market caps and that type of price, imagine just how far Tonic will go in the future. You guys are not ready for the next bull run. Buy the dip BTC. And that is just a fact, guys. I'm telling you, when you have strong fundamental projects like Tonic that are bullish with the rest of the broader market, Tonic with its lower market cap has more potential upside. It will outperform the bigger cap projects because it takes less money for Tonic to, go to, 500 million, 1 billion, 2 billion market cap. It takes a lot less money for it to do that, right? So give it time. You guys will see. Now the bankers are buying into Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price will start, moving further and further up into the future. The total crypto market cap is at 1 trillion, right? It's not even as large as, a company like Apple. And that's the total crypto market cap. The crypto space has so much more room to grow in the future. Buckle your seatbelts, guys, because Tonic will follow because it is fundamentally sound, and we will see absolutely insane moves to the upside for Tonic in the future. From Kabir Usman, Tonic 36,518 holders plus 26 from yesterday. VVS 112k holders plus 9 from yesterday. This is great stuff. Every day you're seeing growth in the Tonic Twitter. I saw someone reply in my comments saying they saw they see the Tonic Twitter is growing, the holders are growing, people on the watch list. Every day there's new addresses that's joining the Tonic project, right? And it's only a matter of time until we see 100k holders in the Tonic project. Now if we take a look at VVS Finance, for example, VVS Finance sitting at $133 million in market cap. Let's do a compare market cap real quick to show you guys. Let's take a look at compare market cap. And let's put in Tonic compared to VVS. And just like that, that's another 4.47x. So if you were getting in around the 10 million range, you're already up 3x. And then you have another 4x to get to VVS Finance's market cap. And that's still tiny, right? That's still absolutely tiny for Tonic, because I know the room to grow will be much more, guys. Big news: EU allows banks to hold 2% of capital in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Send this market. I'm not sure if we're gonna have any more black swan events, guys. Could be. I really don't think so. I really think, the bottom could potentially be in, and we are just going to continue up further and further. Now, if we do get a black swan event, we could see, a 12K, 13K Bitcoin once again, and then the bull run begins. But from what I'm seeing so far with news like this, guys, it's only a matter of time until Bitcoin starts going parabolic, Tonic, everything starts going parabolic that are fundamentally sound. I just have to add that in. Don't expect, some type of crap coin to be going parabolic. It's only projects with good fundamentals that will, start going crazy in the future. EU banks allowed to hold 2% of capital in Bitcoin and crypto. The new directive stipulates the banks can hold a maximum of 2% of their capital in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, while the European Parliament's Economic Committee endorsed several temporary derogations to give banks more time to adjust. Already last year, the BIS Basel Committee warned against cryptocurrencies. Since then, banks have been advised to allocate a maximum of 1% to their total assets to cryptocurrencies. It's all, man, I gotta put on my tinfoil hat. It is all manipulation, guys. It is all manipulation. How don't we know that everything that was set up for the bear market and what happened recently is, manipulation so that the bankers, the wealthy, could buy lower. They could get crypto at the cheapest prices, right? Because all of the people that came in the last cycle, majority of them have left. They're not coming back to crypto. I know I have some friends, that I spoke to through projects that I've been in the last cycle. They haven't checked crypto out in forever, right? It's only a few of us that stuck around through this bear market, and we're the ones that's gonna get rewarded for it. That I feel like it's all manipulated, but hey, we're here right now. If you're here right now, you're gonna be a superstar in the future. Shout outs and props to you for sticking around through this through these terrible market conditions. Justin, Visa CEO says the company believes stablecoins and CBDCs can play a meaningful role in the payment space. CBDCs, guys. I'm not sure how it's going to happen, but I'm sure there's going to be a way for stablecoins and crypto to be integrated with CBDCs. Like you could trade your CBDC for like Ethereum or USDC or USD Tether, right? They're going to find a way to incorporate the blockchain into the central bank digital currency so everything can be interoperable with itself. That's how I'm thinking they're going to go about it, right? The Visa CEO says company believes stablecoins and CBDCs can play a meaningful role in the payment space. Crypto is the future, guys. It's only a matter of time until people are going into stores, going across the world, anywhere in the world, and they could, pay with their stablecoin. They could pay with Tether. They could pay with Ethereum. You name it. Now, this is a video that I found from Bernie's tweets. Central bank digital currencies being rolled out globally. Why? The president of the Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis tells you why. To enable complete control of citizens by governments. He couldn't be clearer. Focus. Now, this is where Tonic comes in, guys. Tonic is a DeFi project that is its own banking system, right? It is its own banking system. So to protect yourself against CBDCs, you go to a store one day, tinfoil hat is on once again, I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube and get my videos taken down, but you go to a store one day, you exceed your carbon limit. You bought too much steak today, right? And then they put a freeze on your account so you could stop buying as much steak. With projects like Tonic DeFi projects, you could pay in Tonic, you could, pay with Crow or VVS Finance instead. They can't put a freeze on those, right? Because those aren't controlled. Those aren't centralized assets, right? Let's take a look at this video.
Because I'm pretty skeptical. I keep asking anybody at the Fed or outside of the Fed to explain to me what problem this is solving. I can send anybody in this room $5 with Venmo right now. Right? No, seriously. So what is it that a CBDC could do that Venmo can't do? And all I get is a bunch of hand waving. I get a bunch, well, maybe it's better for financial inclusion. Maybe it's better for cross-border remittances. Maybe. Is there any evidence that it is? And, they say, well, what about China? China's doing it. Well, I'm
telling you guys, there's a reason why they're going to implement these type of financial systems. This is the reason I got into crypto in the first place, for decentralization. I really don't like the thought of someone being able to control my money that I work so hard for. It just rubs me the wrong way, right? So that's why, I started my crypto journey in the first place. Now, obviously, making a ton of gains and attaining financial freedom is a plus. But, it's, to me, it's still about principle, right? At the end of the day.
I can see why China would do it. If they want to monitor every one of your transactions, you could do that with the central bank digital currency. You can't do that with Venmo. If you want to impose negative interest rates, you could do that with the central bank digital currency. You can't do that with Venmo. And if you want to directly tax customer accounts, you could do that with the central bank digital currency. You can't do that with Venmo. So I get why China would be interested. Why would the American people be for them?
And right there you have it, guys. Programmable money, more control, more ways for them to take away your hard-earned finances. It's absolutely insane, man. But we just gotta keep pushing forward. If you're in crypto right now as we speak, in the worst market conditions, the worst bear market ever, I'm telling you, your future self will thank you. From O'Neil Kerr, just dumped my small bag of XRP for more Tonic today. Wow. XRP is one of the, bigger and larger projects, has such a strong community, and everyone always talks about XRP, and O'Neil just dumped his small bag of XRP for Tonic today. Staked, vault, harvest, rinse and repeat. Added another 3 billion. Do you realize we are just one official tweet away from Tectonic Fi to kick FOMO into overdrive? And he's using the comparing method just like I do as well. And as you guys can see, this is what I say. Smaller cap projects outperform the larger caps, right? Look at how Tonic's chart is outperforming XRP right here. Super bullish stuff. Now, I'm not gonna hate on any other project, never gonna do that. But Tectonic, it's clear to say, with its smaller market cap, let's go back to Tonic right here. With its smaller market cap, it has so much potential upside compared to a XRP. XRP is already at $20 billion in market cap. Imagine if Tonic goes to 20 billion as well. What type of gains you can see in the future? Let's check it out. Let's do it. Just do it for this video, guys. Let's take a look. Let's take a look right here. 694x to go to XRP's market cap. Obviously, we don't even a lot of us don't even need those type of gains, right? Even $1 billion, $2 billion in market cap is way more than enough gains, right? And then we have him purchasing 3 billion, extra 3 billion Tonic, and adding that to his bag. You know, shout out to O'Neil Kerr for that, and the rest of the Tonic fam, Siobhan, X Tonic, My Mickey. Fantastic work. Great stuff, guys. You love to see it. Now, you know, there's definitely more upside with Tonic, so I'm not upset at O'Neil for getting more Tonic instead of having XRP. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Thank you so much, Tonic fam, Crow fam, for watching the video. I really appreciate all the support you guys give me. It really helps. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, especially if you found value, you enjoyed the videos, you made it this far. If this is your first time hearing about Tonic, let me get your thoughts in the comment section as well. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.